that's the thing. Always bega smile ahleke. You know, I couldn't understand what you don't know what's going on right now. Around you, kusikenzakalani awazi. It's just us manje ne-confusion nokuthi manje yini lento and kumele sidile nayo kanjani. So at least when we got to the specialist Joburg Jen, Sharon Maxega, it was much more calming because at that time, about dogs abadila ngazo lezi, they were quite, no, it's fine, my darling. She'll be fine. I was like, she'll be fine, okay. But in my head, I'm like, what are these people talking about? She'll be fine kanjani because yohlala nami lo mntwana akayi kohlala nabo. So yimi engiyodila nale situation, not born. But not knowing ukuthi they know this. I remember Professor Wake wangitshela something, what, do not treat her any special and treat her as normal as possible. And wangitshela day one wathi ungamisi nasesikoleni sabantwana aba-special because mise njena esikoleni sabantwana aba-normal because it's just her legs. It's not